First at 4, we've got a heartbreaking story out of Tucson, and it's gone viral. An Arizona mom posted this picture of her son after his classmates flaked on his 6th birthday party.
The 6-year-old Teddy had his birthday party at Peter Piper Pizza in Tucson last week. His mom invited 32 of his classmates, but apparently no one showed up.
How can no one show up?
Out of 32.
Out of 32. There's something weird about this. Now, to be fair, some of the parents did say ahead of time that they wouldn't make it, but others said they'd be there, and then, as you can see, no one showed up. The boy's mother, Sil Mazzini, shared these pictures online of this poor, heartbroken little guy sitting alone at the table, all the placemats set up, several pizzas at the table, and no one there to have a good time with him.
Oh,
I feel so sorry for him.
Yeah, no, I'm surprised he's not in tears.
I know.
You know? On top of getting thousands of birthday wishes, the Phoenix Suns and Phoenix Rising invited Teddy and his family to 2 events that they have coming up. So there was a happy ending in all of this.